Stop scrolling, he lost his leg. So he decided to build one. This is not a normal woodworking project. This man didn't just build something, he built his own leg. After losing his leg, he refused to depend on expensive solutions. So instead, he walked into his workshop and started creating something unbelievable. Look closely. Every cut, every measurement is carefully done to match his body perfectly. This isn't just wood. This is precision, balance, and survival. And the craziest part? If this isn't built correctly,